Welcome back to the garden, everybody. Today is harvest day, and I'm so excited to show you what is going to be harvested today. We're going to start off with some black-eyed peas. Then we're going to move over to lima beans. We're going to harvest some cherry tomatoes. We're going to harvest some Cherokee tomatoes. And lastly, we're going to harvest some cucumbers. I'm so excited to show you what's growing in this summer garden. Let's get to it. As you can see, the lima beans are filling out nicely. The pods are mature and ready for harvesting. Lima beans are one of my favorite crops because they thrive in the summer heat and provide a dependable harvest. So we got a pretty decent harvest of lima beans. We got a few string beans or contender beans also. Now we're going to go get the black-eyed peas. Have to be careful here because we have some giant red ants. So I'm trying not to get bit as I harvest. That's all I see for now here. We'll come back probably later on this week and get some more. Oh, I see some here, so let's get these. Here we have our orange cherry tomatoes, and we got quite a few of them to get, so let's get to getting. Probably need to get another basket because they're falling through. I'll be right back. So we have our other basket, and we'll go ahead and continue our harvest this way. And as you can see, we have quite a few cherry tomatoes. I'm going to go ahead and harvest the ones that are blushing as well. They can harvest inside, rather complete their ripening inside. I have some more cherry tomatoes on the other side, but since we're here, we're going to go ahead and harvest some of these other tomatoes as well. And we have one in back of me that is huge and has started to turn colors. So I'm going to go ahead and take it. Now, when I get inside, I'm going to go ahead and measure or weigh this rather to see how much it actually weighs, but it's pretty big. And we have another one right here that is pretty big also and changing colors. As you can see. I don't see any more over here that are close to being ready, so let's go get the cherry tomatoes. So in this U-shaped bed, we have some cherry tomatoes as well, so we'll get those. I'm actually kind of surprised that we are getting a harvest here because these haven't grown very much compared to my tomatoes on the other side. Now here in this bed, my cucumbers are taking off. They're getting bigger and climbing more up the trellis. The other day I noticed that we had one cucumber inside in the bottom of the bed, so we're going to go ahead and get that one also. And here you go. So I want to take a look at this particular jalapeno plant to see if we have a pepper that is ready. I thought I saw one in passing, so we're going to take a look. And yes, we do have a pepper. It's not as big as the ones I harvested last time. So let's take a look at today's harvest. There is nothing quite like bringing fresh vegetables straight from the garden to the kitchen. Gardening takes patience and hard work, but harvest days make it all worthwhile. If you're growing a summer garden, let me know in the comments what you're harvesting right now. I'd love to hear what's growing in your area. I want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future garden videos. Until next time, happy gardening and God bless.